What is happening, everyone? Luke McGuire here, and let's get straight to the point and show you how Inboxr, the world's first and only multi-social network chat and engagement bot, is going to have your business, offer or service be seen to millions of people starting today, how it's going to automate your engagements with your fans 24/7, and most importantly, how it's going to start filling your bank accounts up today. Now, I like to put my money where my mouth is, and rather than tell you how good Inboxr is and how it's going to make you all this money, I'd rather show it to you in action right now. So in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to take you on a journey showing you how Inboxr came about, show you it live in action, and most importantly, show you how you can start making money with it by the end of this video. Let's go. Inboxr is the only tool you will need to create automated sales generations for free, and this is why. Over the past couple of years, I've created some of the world's top marketing tools that have solved problems that no other products have been able to solve before, and with the #1 goal of getting my students results. These tools range from the world's first and only tool that brings Instagram to the desktop, the world's first Facebook Live syndication tool, the world's first Facebook mass group poster, and finally, the #1 tool marketers use around the world to send their fan pages viral with viral content. More importantly, these tools have changed thousands of people's lives. Now, why the hell does this matter to you, and how is it going to make you money? Right now, there has never been a better opportunity to make money on social media. After being extremely fortunate of being able to travel around the world the past few years, speaking at events all over the world, working personally with tens and thousands of my own customers and leading industry professionals, I found there was a handful of simple key differences between those who are making 5 to 6 figures a month online and those struggling to make their first dollar. The only way to solve this problem was to create a tool that would bring targeted users to your social pages, auto-engage with those users through direct messaging on a bulk scale, building a relationship with them as if it was you doing it, and finally sending these leads to an opt-in, a sales page, a store, or an offer to make you money. Now, as I said earlier, rather than me telling you how great Inboxr is and the problems that it solves, let me show this to you live in action right now. While watching this, I want you to imagine how this can relate to your business or businesses you know in general, and get ready to start making a killing in just a few minutes. Inboxr allows you to set up a welcome message that is sent whenever a fan engages with you, instantly building trust. It's as simple as selecting your fan page, typing your welcome message that you want to send when anyone engages with you, and hitting save. Inboxr lets you set up responses for specific keywords that are sent instantly as the user enters that specific keyword. Simply enter as many trigger keywords as you want. For example, thank you, create the response you wanted to send, and then hit save. Whenever a user enters that keyword, Inboxr will respond your pre-written message for you. Inboxr allows you to send message sequences to follow up with users long after they first inboxed you. This allows you to keep on engaging with your audience, sending them follow-up messages, value, and offers. Ultimately, this means more conversions and sales for you. Inboxr allows you to bulk message all of your engaged fans. Simply choose the type of message you want to send, create your broadcast, and then hit send. It's that simple. Inboxr allows you to automatically respond to comments left on individual posts. Simply select the specific update, enter the response you want to send, and hit save. When anyone comments on that update in future, Inboxr will message that user your pre-written message. Now, Inboxr allows you to not only send users from Facebook to your website, but from your website to your Facebook Messenger. This is perfect if you want to include an opt-in on your page, or an exit pop-up, or a web page takeover to sell to that customer from then on. Inboxr is one of the world's only approved apps to let you do the brand new Facebook Messenger post. This essentially puts the send message button in your actual update. This send message type update is perfect for getting into the news feeds of people that are not following your fan page yet might be interested in what you have to offer. Inboxr also breaks down your audience from when they last contacted you, to when you need to follow up with them, to when they dropped off, to who is most engaged. Never worry about finding content to post ever again. Inboxr can discover any content and repurpose it to your fan page in seconds. Simply enter your niche or a fan page URL that has viral content on it, click edit, post now or schedule for later, and let Inboxr do all the work. Inboxr also knows when to pass the conversation over to a human by entering a generic response and letting you know it's time for you to step in and follow up with that lead. Inboxr has a live chat feature built in inside so you can take over the conversation at any time. Finally, we also provide full support, training videos, and a VIP Facebook group where you can connect with other members and ensure you are getting the most out of your online chatbots. And finally, this is not just for Facebook, it's for Twitter as well. So jump into Inboxr right now and start getting results today. All right guys, so we've made it back to the studio here, and as you can see, there's reasons why people don't do this manually. Imagine trying to spend all day manually growing your fan pages, messaging thousands of users manually, following up with them all, asking them for their email, and then trying to make sales with them. It simply isn't possible. It would literally take days to do what we just did then, or cost thousands of dollars to pay multiple virtual assistants to do this successfully. Now, lucky for you though, it has never been easier to automate this entire process and also be one of the first in the world to do so with Inboxr. Facebook and Twitter have only just given access to top developers in the world to what we're about to show you, and there is no other tool that does what Inboxr does. Now, because it's launch week, I'm going to give you a double your money back offer in just a minute if you do not get results from this. But before I talk about that, I wanted to tell you exactly why this is going to get you results and why it just simply works. If you look back at opportunities from the .com boom to SEO to when Facebook ads first launched to Facebook Live to email marketing, the same goal was always there: to engage with customers on a personal level. Now, all of the above methods though are becoming much harder and harder to build trust with people and, more importantly, convert them to customers. Facebook ads look like ads. Emails are now seen as broadcasts rather than personal messages, where messages and engagements on your own social profiles are seen as real. This is where the big money is right now, and you have never been in a better place to take advantage of this. Now, I could rattle on stats of how many more open rates Facebook Messenger has compared to email. However, 60% of people say they have used a chatbot over the past year, and how people's attention spans are getting shorter and shorter if they don't get an answer right away. Think about it yourself. The chances of someone coming back to your own site or offer or even Facebook page drop dramatically if they don't get an instant response. I'm sure you can see this from your own experiences. This is where Inboxr thrives. Your fan pages will instantly respond to your fans as soon as they like or follow you with a welcome message to make that first connection. Inboxr allows your business to give people instant responses to anyone who messages you or even comments on your updates, and most importantly, gives you access to the #1 tool that is going to make your customers feel loved and provided with value, which in turn will fill up your bank accounts, as you will see below in some of the testimonials. You are literally one of the first to ever be able to do what I just showed you. And because you are seeing this video here, you are in the best time ever to jump onto Inboxr today, and more importantly, start getting results today, and this is why. To say thank you for picking this up right now in launch week, I wanted to give you access to Inboxr with zero restrictions on how many bots you can create for as many personal pages that you have for a one-time investment that is equivalent to the average lunch meal out. On top of that, during launch week, I'm throwing in a bunch of launch week bonuses only. The first bonus we're providing you is to be able to connect as many personal fan pages you own to create as many chatbots for these fan pages as you would like for both Twitter and Facebook. That's right, no ridiculous recurring fees, no limitations on how many personal fan pages you can add, or even messages sent like many other people charge for tools that don't even do half of what Inboxr does. I also wanted to give you the ability to use the chatbot on both Twitter and Facebook. After launch week, these will be separated into 2 separate upsells. But again, if you pick up Inboxr right now, you can automate messages and make some serious bank through both of these platforms right away. The third bonus you will get is our discovery tool, allowing you to find the most trending viral content and post it directly to your fan pages. This is the content that people engage with, and as soon as they engage with it, Inboxr will message them with any specific message you would like to send them. This again will be removed after launch week. The fourth bonus you will receive is the brand new Facebook post chat module. Facebook has approved Inboxr to be one of the first tools in the world to get the ability for users to one-click subscribe to your Facebook list from an update directly as seen on the screen here. No one is doing this yet, and it has just been released, and instead of making this an upsell for you guys or a product in itself, I'm giving it to you for free right now in launch week. The fifth bonus I'm giving you is my Facebook font changer. This is a tool I created allowing you to change your fonts on Facebook to really stand out from the crowd. Now, most people don't even know that this exists, but as you can see, it really stops people in their tracks, making you really stand out. Now, finally, I'm giving you access to my VIP group. Those who know me know how valuable my VIP groups are, and I use them as a primary way to hold you accountable for the long run and to ensure you get results that I know you can. So, to get complete unrestricted access to Inboxr, along with all of the bonuses above, for a one-time investment, you need to act right now, as after launch week, Inboxr will be moving to a monthly recurring fee. The bonuses above will be completely removed, and we will be limiting the number of accounts connected, and if that does not make it a no-brainer yet to join right now, then what I'm about to show you will. I'm gonna make this a risk for you not to pick up. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a super skeptical person, and I'm sure you are also. It's natural, especially in this internet marketing world. This is why I am removing all of the risks to grab Inboxr right now. I am so sure this is going to work for you, I'm going to bet my own money on it. If this is not the easiest, most simple, best social media software you have ever used, I do not want your money. That is why within 14 days of your initial purchase, if you do not like Inboxr for whatever reason, or even if it's because of my shirt or my hair or my Australian accent, or you want to take it back and go out for a dinner instead, let me know, and I'll personally refund you 100% of your money, no questions asked. Now, to make this a risk for you not to pick up right now, if you work with myself and my team for 60 days and still get 0 results, I will personally double your money back. That is how sure I am that Inboxr is going to deliver you results. It's going to make you the leader in your field on the fastest growing social platforms, and the only risk for you right now is to not grab it because there is a double your money back guarantee. Now go through this sales page, see the live testimonials, see the results, see the demos, see the bonuses again, and then hit the buy button now to secure your copy of Inboxr and start getting results within the hour. Don't go back to wasting money and time on tools that simply don't work. And don't go back to playing trial and error with systems that don't work, and start getting results today with what does work by joining Inboxr. Hit the buy button now and get ready to watch your business go viral, your social pages auto-engage, your email list start to build, and your bank accounts start to fill up today. Again, my name is Luke McGuire, and on behalf of myself and my entire team, I thank you, and I'm very excited to meet you in just a few minutes.